Hi everyone. I hope you're liking all my videos. If you haven't seen some of them, please check them out and keep your Excel learning interesting. And also, if you have any questions or anything you would like to learn about Excel or PowerPoint, Word, or Power BI or Tableau or any applications, please drop in your comment so I can take those videos and show you how to work around that. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you about how to create a to-do list in Excel. So, so let's begin. For doing that, what you have to do is just open one Excel and go to Insert tab, and over there you get to see Get Add-in as an option. So get add-ins. Now over here in the search bar, you can type to do and search. So you get to see a lot of errands relating to to-dos. We would be using a to-do list pro. So click on add. It'll ask you about the license terms and private privacy policy, etc. So click on continue. All right. So now you have your add-in on the right hand side as a panel. So enter it. It's asking you enter the list name. Let's say my list name is business related tasks. Okay, and add item to the list. Add item to the list. Let's say item 1, item 2, item 3. So you can move around here your tasks as well. You can resize it by dragging and dropping. And the moment you've completed tasks here, you can tick them off. So it shows you item 1 is completed. Then item 2, that shows completed, and your third priority list, that's going to be item 3, that's been completed. So as you see, it's quite easy, but this way you can keep a track of it, and you can save this Excel file, and then again when you reopen the Excel file, it'll take you to this to-do list pro as well, and it'll show you your completed tasks and other incomplete tasks where you need to uh, focus on, so it becomes easier to track. Okay, so I hope with this video you learned something new, and I hope that would be useful for you in your day-to-day work relating to your business requirement, or relating to your any personal to-dos if you would like to keep a track of. So if you like this video, please like and comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.